Hi students, today we are going to study about the coastal plain of India, that is most important physical division of India. The coastal plain of India lie on either side of the peninsular plateau along the western and eastern coast of India. Both coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari, the southernmost tip of the Indian Ocean. The western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain, there are two most important coasts of India. Now let's try to understand western coastal plain. Western coastal plain is spread from Run of Kutch to Kanyakumari, and its average width is 64 km, and it is divided into three coastal divisions such as Konkan coast stretches from Mumbai to Goa state, and the middle part of the coast is called Karnataka coast or Kannara coast. It extended from the border of Goa to the border of Karnataka state. From Karnataka to Kanyakumari is called Malabar coast. Now, there are few characteristics of the western coastal plain. First characteristics, we can say the average elevation of the western coastal plain is approx 150 meter to 300 meter from the mean sea level. It has many sandy beaches located in this coastal plain area, such as Kashidko beach is popular for the white sand and blue seas. It is in the Maharashtra state, and next beach is Daman and Diu beach. It is also Union Territory of India. It is famous for natural beauty. Now, next, Goa beach. Goa beach lies in Goa state, that is smallest state of India at present time. And now next beach, Udupi beach. Udupi beach lies in Karnataka state. It is famous for deep sea fishing and banana rafting. Next beach, Kovalam beach. Kovalam beach lies in Kerala state. It is lies Trivandrum city of Kerala. It is most important tourist point of view. And now next beach, Gokarna beach. Gokarna beach lies in Karnataka state, and it is famous for sun bathing and tourist point of view. It is most important. And now next beach is Varkala beach. Varkala beach lies in Kerala state. It is the best known as meditational point of view and yoga practices point of view. Here, climatic condition is very pleasant. Equable type of climate, or we can say moderate climate found in this region. Major soil like laterite, black, cotton soil found in this region. Red soil also found some parts of the coastal area. Main economic activity such as fishing activity, agricultural activity and horticultural activity. Horticulture means the production of fruits and vegetable combined, that is called horticulture. And this region receive high rainfall during the monsoon season. Most of the rainfall receives by southwest monsoon winds, June to September months. Major ports of the western coastal plain such as Mumbai Port, Jawaharlal Nehru Port are located in Maharashtra state. Like this, Marmuagaon Port in Panaji, Goa. Panaji is the capital city of Goa. Goa is a big tourist spot. Tourist point of view, it is most important for us. Now, New Mangalore Port, it is in Karnataka state. Kochi Port of Kerala, it is major port of the Arabian Sea. It is one of the largest port, we can say, of India. Now, my dear students, try to understand next coastal division of India. Next coastal division of India, the Eastern Coastal Plain. The Eastern Coastal Plain lies between Eastern Ghat and Bay of Bengal Sea. It is wider and leveled coastal plain than Western Coastal Plain. It is divided into two parts. First part is Northern Sircar Coastal Plain. It extended from Mahanadi River to Krishna River. And second one part lies between Krishna River to Kaveri River. It is known as Coromandel Coast or Tamil Nadu Coast. Many important rivers also flow in this coastal plain area like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, all are the important rivers of the eastern coastal plain. All these rivers form delta, whereas the rivers of the Western Ghat do not form delta. They form estuary. Most interesting fact is that at present many lagoons here found. Lagoons means saltwater lake. For examples, Chilika Lake and Pulicat Lake are famous lakes of this coastal plain. This coast plain receives rainfall through northeast trade wind and southwest monsoon wind both. This area is famous for rice crop production point of view. Major crops: rice, pulses, oilseeds also grown in this region. Alluvial soil, laterite soil and red soil found in this coastal plain. The major beaches also here lies such as Digha beach in the West Bengal. Many beaches also lies in this coastal plain area such as Digha beach in West Bengal. Digha beach is a popular tourist destination, and like Digha beach, Chandipur beach also famous, that is lies in Odisha state. Talasari beach also lies in Odisha states. Puri beach in Odisha, it is famous pilgrimage place. Here Jagannath temple located. So religious point of view, this beach is most important for us. Next, Ramakrishna beach in Andhra Pradesh is also famous beach. Rusi Konda beach in Visakhapatnam city, and like this Kanyakumari beach. Kanyakumari beach is located confluence of the western and eastern coastal plain. Some major ports also located in this region, such as Tuticorin Port, Chennai Port, Ennore Port. All are the major ports located in Tamil Nadu state. Like this, Paradip Port in Odisha state, Haldia, Kolkata Port in West Bengal state. As we know that the ports play important role in the economy of the country. In next video, we will study about the fifth physical division of India, the Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep.